CBF 125. We're going to change the oil. What you're going to need is 10W40 oil, 4T more specifically, 4T, so 10W40, 4T. It's just semi-synthetic. Always read the manual. I recommend this one, it's really good. This will definitely go well with your CBF. You're going to need a 12mm socket, and if you're bothered, get a magnetic plug. They're about £10. That one actually is a 13mm, so got a 13, and something to drain your oil with. What I will recommend as well is to get a plank of wood or 2 bricks and put the motorbike on top. That way you can rock it more up and down, so all of the oil comes out, as you'll see.
And also put the motorbike on so the oil is warmer.
That way the oil is a bit more runnier and you get most of it out, more of it out, as opposed to if it were cold. Another advantage of the bricks is that you can put a bigger bottle in. As you can see, I got a tiny one, but you could actually get a bigger bucket because the ground clearance on this motorbike is quite low. You have more space, you can put a bigger bucket and less chance of spillage. Also get a glove. This prevents the oil getting in your hands. You don't really want the oil in your hands, especially if it's hot. But in this situation it's going to be warm, it won't burn us, but it's a good idea always to have some protective clothing on. So you're going to put it clockwise. Okay, now that's a bit loose, you can slowly, by hand, take it out. As you can see, there's still more running out. And even more when you put it back. So you're going to get your drain plug with the magnet. Make sure there's a washer in place. There's different treads, there's the 1.2 and the 1.5. Make sure you have the right one for your motorbike. Never force it in. In this case this is a 1.5 and it fits in just right. Nice and snug. Whoops. Perfect. You're going to get your 13mm socket, because this is a 13mm, and you're going to turn it anti-clockwise. Make sure you don't do it too hard. Just right. Good. Give it a nice wipe around. So there's any remaining oil. And you're done. So you take the dipstick out from here. You clean it, give it a nice clean. And then you're going to get, on this specific bike, Honda CBF 125, you put in 900 mils from what I remember. Always read the manual for your bike. So I'm going to put in the 10W40. Perfect. Nice and clean. So once you've done that, make sure you check on the side. This is roughly how much you need to put in a CBF. You get the dipstick and screw it in to check. just about right. Perfect. Let the engine run for a little bit. Don't drive straight away. And leave it there for about a minute. Let it all settle in.